Hello guys, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with the next video. You are going to first start joining them all together like this, and after joining them you have to make a braid as shown in this video. Now again you have to cross that braid in this manner. Now take the front ends of your hairs, and then after doing that you have to make the hair strands in this way and then join the hair strands in this manner. After doing that you can see a bun has been made. For the next hairstyle, what you're going to do, you're going to crisscross the hair follicles like this, and after doing that you're going to make a braid as shown in this video, and a bun of design has to be made like this. Take the side edges of your hair strands, and after doing that make braids along with this. After making braids along with this, you have to make another braid and then join them all together in this specific manner. Roll them over it and see, beautiful hairstyle has been made. Divide your hairs into two equal parts and start making two separate braids as shown. Now crisscross the braids and a perfect and beautiful bun has to be made like this. For your next hairstyle, you are going to take the front edges of your hairs, and after doing that you can simply make them in this manner. After dividing them into three equal parts, you have to join the buns in this manner and see how perfect and beautiful this bun looks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.